Hello. Good morning. My name is Payal Vatsya and welcome back to my channel. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, please ये कैसे भूल गई? In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'll be glad if you guys just take a moment and subscribe to my channel. So for today's topic, I'll just skip everything, every introduction, and I'll just skip to the video. So today we're gonna talk about how you can take care of your dry skin. In case you have dry skin, you need to watch this video pura end tak. But before we begin how to take care of your dry skin, let's know why do you have dry skin. So you can have dry skin because of some environmental factors, maybe because of your genetics, maybe because of excessive washing or some irritants, or maybe some medical conditions. But what you should do, that we will discuss today, and it will be applicable for people staying in all the three regions, that is humid regions or tropical regions or even temperate regions. So first let's talk about what you should do, and then we'll discuss about what you shouldn't do if you have dry skin. So let's begin with what you should do. So number one step is to cleanse your face, or in simple term, face wash. You should always use a cleanser which is very gentle for your face and which doesn't strip off your natural oils. And to be specific and in simple terms, a cleanser which doesn't have too much of foam, you should use that. For example, you should use a Cetaphil gentle cleanser or a CeraVe hydrating cleanser. So the next step is to tone or use a toner, and this step is just not mandatory. This is just if you want to use a toner, you can, but if you want to skip, you can definitely skip. But if you use a toner which doesn't have alcohol in it, because most of the toner they have alcohol as the main ingredient, and alcohol just plays around with your skin ka pH level, and in return it dries out your skin. So if you use a toner, look for an alcohol free toner which will, with active ingredients, which will help you restore your skin's pH level. But this step is not mandatory. You need not use a toner. If you want, you can. If you want to skip, you can. Acha, the next step is to use a serum or target, as it is known as. So use a serum according to your skin concern. If your only concern is your dry skin, then use a hydrating serum. If your only concern is your dry skin, then use a serum which is very hydrating, such as hyaluronic acid serum. And if you have any other concerns like wrinkles or hyperpigmentation or acne, you could use a serum which is meant for that. But if you only have dry skin, switch to hyaluronic acid, or maybe you can also try out niacinamide. Next step is to moisturize your face, and this is a very important step. You need to use a moisturizer even if you have oily skin, even if you have dry skin. You need to use a moisturizer according to your skin type. And if you have dry skin, and if you're using a serum, you can use moisturizer after that. And use a moisturizer which is a little thick in consistency, something like Cetaphil again and CeraVe. They both are dermatologically tested, non-comedogenic, and clinically proven. But in case if you do not use a toner and a serum, what I would suggest is the best way to apply a moisturizer is on your damp skin. अभी damp skin से मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि पूरा गीला गीले चेहरे पे लगा लेने का है. When you wash your face and when you're wiping the पानी with a towel, उसको पूरा मत सुखा दो, थोड़ा थोड़ा जब वो डैम्प रहता है ना, then use a moisturizer. that is the best way to lock in the moisture in your face and in your skin in general. And yes, you should actually go for a cream based, a thick consistency wala moisturizer. I personally love Cetaphil moisturizer, although I don't have dry skin, but I use it on a daily basis. Okay, the last step, but not the least, obviously, is a sunscreen. Do not ever skip your sunscreen. Doesn't matter whether it's winter or it's monsoon season or it's hot summer. You need to apply a sunscreen every day, and actually you should reapply your sunscreen every 3 hours, but I know for most people it is not possible to apply sunscreen every 3 hours. But in case you forget to wear your sunscreen, please wear your sunscreen every day, and use a sunscreen obviously according to your skin type. If you have dry skin, use again a thick formulation वाला sunscreen, just like a moisturizer. Okay, so ये था कि what you should do. Now let's talk about what you shouldn't do if you have dry skin. So first of all, what you should avoid is, you should just avoid warm water or hot water. You should just not use that. I do get it, it's winters and you want to use garam pani, but if you have dry skin, just avoid warm water. Especially I would suggest not to use warm water on your face and your hair. It just makes your face, overall it makes your skin very bad. But if you're just looking something for your face and hair, please just try to avoid hot water on your face. Do not wash your face with hot water. If you want to use cold water or maybe a lukewarm water. That would work for you, because hot water just dries out your skin. And yeah, okay. And number two, what you should avoid is fragrance in your any skincare product. Just avoid fragrance, be it your face wash or moisturizer. Opt for a fragrance free skincare. Actually फ्रेग्रेंस वाले प्रोडक्ट्स तो किसी को यूज़ नहीं करने चाहिए. इवन इफ़ यू हैव ऑयली स्किन और नॉर्मल, you shouldn't be using fragrance वाले products. But this applies especially to dry skin people, that you shouldn't be using फ्रेग्रेंस वाली चीज़ें, बिकॉज वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई आउट करता है आपके स्किन को. What you shouldn't use is alcohol based things on your face. Whichever products have alcohol in it, just try to skip it. Don't use it, don't buy it, don't waste your money. If you are using something, check out the ingredients. If they have fragrance or if they have alcohol in it, just try to avoid it. It would just harm your skin. And yeah, just try to avoid it. These are the basic things that I told you what you shouldn't do, but there are other things as well which you should take a look at, but that would be a very deep dive into the topic, and then it would be a really long video. But yes, these are the things, little things that you should actually keep in mind if you have dry skin. And also one thing which plays a very important role is your water. If you have hard water in your area, you will probably be having dry skin. So yes, you should actually take care of your skin according to the surrounding, and to be specific, according to your environmental factors, you should take care of your skin. Okay, so yes, this is it. I will see you guys the next Sunday. Until then, bye.